Hi, my name is Jokanola Yusuff Olatunji. I'm a software engineer with more than 4 years of experience. I started out around 2019 at Light Computer Technology, in which I was trained on software development. I'm chance to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and other software related skills. But the most interesting and the most amazing part of the training is not only the strong technical skills, but also um, problem solving, critical thinking, and how to learn. As we all know, in this world, you need to, as the technology is evolving, you need to learn new things. If you have a chance to be a student of Elite Computer Technology, you'll be able to learn new things and you find yourself striving in a uh, rapid technology, and how technology is changing, you find it easy to learn new things. Thank you.